Shamai, Assalamu alaikum. My name's Eleeza and today we are at Swansea Mosque for a special Ramadan football evening exploring the significance of these events held across the sacred month across Cymru. This is especially important to me because it combines my love for football and of course my religion.
So Ramadan is the holiest month in the Islamic calendar. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast for 30 days during the daylight hours from sunrise to sunset. And the focus is on spiritual growth, self-reflection and also gratitude.
This is also the first time the FAW has hosted a session like this, and so we're keen to hear how the community has embraced it and feels about it. But before that, food is about to be served, so I'm heading in to get a taste.
We've just served iftar, which is the breaking of the fast. As you've seen, we served about 200 to 300 people. We do that daily in the month of Ramadan.
So when did you guys start preparing the food?
We started preparing around 4 o'clock. We'd be frying all the samosas, the chicken, cutting up all the watermelon, cutting all the salad for the biryani, and they added chicken nuggets. Normally we don't have chicken nuggets for iftar, but they added that as a special thing today for all the children.
So is it a family kind of runs an iftar a week or an iftar a day? How does that work?
A family can run it every day. They donate money and they give money, so then it funds for the iftar for every day. So today's one was my family's one.
So I've just left the room where the men are praying, and prayer is a really important part of Ramadan because it's the second pillar of Islam and it's something that Muslims commit to 5 times daily. One thing about Islam is that men and women pray separately in kind of an attempt to cut away all distractions and make sure that it's just yourself speaking to Allah, because we believe that when you're praying it's a dialect between yourself and God, and you can hear the prayer going off now.
So we focus a lot of our activities in the night due to fasting during the day. So after the Taraweeh prayer, which is the Ramadan prayer that we hold with the community, we hold football sessions in our sports hall upstairs in the mosque. It's been very popular, it's been oversubscribed. We had nearly 40 people get involved during the sessions. During that time, of course, lots of other venues and football pitches, etc. are closed. So they're unable to access those during that time of the night. Hopefully we can continue doing this. It certainly has been popular and the feedback has been really, really good.
So how important are things like the FAW coming and supporting these sessions to the community?
Yeah, it's really, really good. We're so lucky we've got this facility. First session we played until 3 o'clock in the morning. And then they came upstairs and they were like, all right, we need to close the mosque now. And we were like, oh, okay, cool. Everyone's come together for one thing, which is football. You know, it's united peoples from so many different backgrounds. So yeah, it's an amazing thing, like, you know.
We love these sessions and just lots of players just absolutely buzzing about them. You can see it's really, really needed. For us, it's about connecting with a lot of communities. And I think in years to come, we want to do more and more of these and support more and more sites to start up. And hopefully, you know, we can grow more football coaches, more volunteers as well in, you know, in new communities that maybe we've not worked so much in the past.
I can't imagine playing 90 minutes of professional football and fasting. I can just about make it through my day. So thank you very much, Dai, and thank you to the FAW for all your contributions. That's it from us here at Swansea Mosque after an incredible midnight football session. A huge thank you to everyone for making us feel so welcome, sharing an insight about Ramadan and of course the amazing food. I've had an amazing time presenting and taking part in the session, so thank you very much and Ramadan Mubarak.